Hey there, it's Linda in Belize. If you're in Placencia and you want to come to a private island, Ivan's Island is a place you can have a drink, play pool, and of course do what everyone does here, which is snorkel.
A big thanks out to Ivan for hosting this fantastic birthday party. If you're looking for a tour out of Placencia, both Gio and Ivan are tour guides and would be happy to help. Their contact information is in the description of the video. I hope to see you soon in Belize.